Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us find the perimeter of this triangle. We have given the triangle with the sides 8x minus 2 centimeter, 40 minus 6x centimeter, and 12 centimeter. Let us call our triangle as triangle A, B, C. Perimeter is equal to side A, B plus side B, C plus side A, C. They have given to us only side B, C. The other sides they have given to us in terms of x. So let us first find the value of x and then find the length A, B, and A, C. Since this triangle is isosceles triangle, that means side A, B is equal to side A, C. A, B is equal to A, C. I'm going to equate these sides to get the value of x, that is 40 minus 6x. This is equal to 8x minus 2. I'll bring 2 to the left hand side and 6 to the right hand side. This is going to be 40 plus 2. This is equal to 8x plus 6x. 42. This is equal to 14x. I'm going to divide by 14 both sides. Divide by 14. Divide by 14. By 14, 1. By 14, 1. We get x is equal to, by 14, 1. By 14, we got 3. So the value of x is equal to 3. Let us find side A, B, which is equal to side A, C. AB is given by expression 40 minus 6x. I'm going to substitute x is equal to 3 to x here. That is going to be 40, take away 6, multiply by 3. We have 40 minus 18. This is equal to 22. This is centimeter. But we know A, B, this is equal to A, C. That is equal to 22 centimeter. So A, B, it is 22 centimeter, and A, C also it is 22 centimeter. As we said, perimeter is equal to distance AB plus BC plus AC. That is, perimeter is equal to AB, which is equal to 22, plus BC, that is 12, plus AC, that is 22. We are going to get perimeter is equal to 56 centimeter. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on triangles, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.